Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. Next, scroll all the way down to System and Update. Swipe down again and find Reset Phone option. And then choose Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. It gives you a pop-up, permanently clear all data. Your phone will be restored to factory settings. And then select Clear. All data will be cleared permanently and cannot be recovered. To avoid data loss, we recommend backing up your phone data to the cloud. Or you can just, do this the normal way and, for instance, back it up to your computer, which will be much more secure because it's your computer. So that's number one. And number two, also won't limit you to restore data only to this brand of phone. As doing it to the cloud the way they want to, it's going to be the OPPO cloud most likely, and that will limit you to be able to restore this data only to that device, or also some subsequent parent companies that they have, like OnePlus and one more, which I don't remember. But in any case, I'm not going to be backing up anything, so I'm just going to select Clear All Data, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. And this process will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.